Welcome to our guide on building your very own computer from scratch. Today we'll explore the exciting world of computer fabrication. First, let's talk about the essential components you'll need. Each part plays a crucial role in your computer's performance. Start with the motherboard, the backbone of your computer. It connects all components and allows them to communicate. Next, choose a compatible CPU. This is your computer's brain, responsible for processing tasks and running applications. Don't forget about RAM. This memory helps your computer run multiple applications smoothly and efficiently. Now let's select a graphics card. It enhances your visual experience, especially for gaming and graphic design. Storage is vital too. Choose between SSDs for speed or HDDs for larger capacity. Both have their advantages. Once you have your components, it's time to assemble them. Start by placing the motherboard in the case. Carefully install the CPU and RAM onto the motherboard. Make sure everything is seated properly for optimal performance. Next, insert the graphics card into the appropriate slot. This step is crucial for enhancing your computer's graphics. Now, connect your storage devices. Use the right cables to ensure they communicate effectively with the motherboard. Once everything is connected, it's time to power up your computer. Make sure all connections are secure before proceeding. If your computer doesn't boot, don't panic. Check all connections and ensure components are properly installed. Now let's move on to software installation. Start with your operating system, which is essential for running applications. Once the OS is installed, you can add drivers and necessary software. This will optimize your computer's performance. Remember to keep your software updated. This ensures your computer runs smoothly and securely over time. Congratulations! You've built your own computer. Enjoy the satisfaction of creating something uniquely yours. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Keep exploring and enhancing your technical skills. Happy building!